Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the oil change light on a Jeep Cherokee. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. This action signals the vehicle's computer. Finally, turn the ignition to the off position. This simple sequence should clear the oil change indicator, getting you back on the road quickly. After performing the reset, start your Jeep Cherokee's engine to confirm the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure. It's crucial to ensure you fully depress the accelerator pedal each of the 3 times. Sometimes, a slight hesitation or incomplete press can prevent the reset from registering correctly. Patience is key for success. Resetting your oil change light is more than just turning off an indicator. It's about maintaining your vehicle's service schedule. This light is a reminder that your Jeep Cherokee is due for an oil change, not necessarily an issue with oil pressure. By resetting it after your service, you confirm that the maintenance has been performed. This helps you keep track of future service intervals and ensures your vehicle runs smoothly. Beyond resetting the light, regular oil maintenance is vital for your Jeep Cherokee's longevity. Always check your oil level at least once a month and ensure you're using the specific type and viscosity recommended for your engine. This prevents premature wear and keeps your vehicle performing optimally. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.